The mango flesh is transformed into smooth pulp using food-grade processing systems.
Mango is known as the king of fruits. Every year, millions of tons of mangoes are processed using advanced.
The journey begins in smart mango orchards, where technology helps farmers grow healthier and sweeter mangoes using.
Instead of traditional harvesting, robotic systems carefully pick ripe mangoes to prevent damage and ensure premium quality.
After washing, powerful air-drying tunnels gently remove moisture without harming the fruit. Advanced AI cameras scan every mango, sorting them by size, color, and ripeness with incredible accuracy. Inside the factory, mangoes are washed using purified water systems to remove dirt, bacteria, and surface impurities. Selected mangoes move to automated peeling and cutting machines, where precision blades prepare them for processing.
Fresh mangoes are transported in temperature-controlled vehicles to maintain freshness before reaching the factory. Mango juice and puree are filled into bottles and pouches using fully automated filling lines.
The mango flesh is transformed into smooth pulp using food-grade processing systems.
Robotic arms package mango products using eco-friendly materials, preparing them for global distribution. Finished products are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses to preserve taste and quality. These mango products are shipped worldwide, reaching supermarkets, restaurants, and homes across the globe. This is how modern technology is shaping the future of mango processing: safe, efficient, and sustainable.